Hey, we have picked out a camper that we really like and wanted to show it to you. Okay, I've got it kind of on a wide angle so we can see a little bit better. You have your entryway into the living room, and these are movable tables in lots of directions to get, so you can eat out the couch if you like, or just get them out of the way. They also can be removed out of their pin there. And the couch is actually in a slide out. There's a full refrigerator, separate from the ice maker there on the bottom. And because of the slide, it's got a really large living area for you to walk around in. We got a TV and a fireplace with storage beside of the stove, and drawers, a sink, microwave, and more storage. By the door, there's some coat racks. This is the bathroom with like a sliding barn door. So it's got a foot flush, a nice sink, medicine cabinet, storage at the bottom. And this is pretty deep storage here. Let me back up so you can see it. Kind of goes back a long way there. And there's your bathroom window and a fan with air conditioner. A large shower, plenty tall for us, and you can shower back away from the shower head, and it's a step up, so it's not going to get water all over the floor. There's your air conditioner. Good size oven. Cooktop. There you go. So that kind of works for a backsplash, I guess, for the grease. With a vent range, a microwave, and storage. Lots of storage. Good size sink. Like a double. They've winterized it already, which, it's pretty hot. I'm kind of melting. It's really hot today in North Carolina in the summer. Have a window there with the screen, and these windows can be opened. Then we have kind of a closed off bedroom. I really like that part. Kind of separate the kitchen from the bedroom real well with that. And it's got the barn door like the bathroom had, and it has a slide, and this slide is for a wardrobe, so that's really nice. So that's the hangers, and those two doors, and this one is the shelves. Then you have the full-size queen bed, and another window that you can open. Let's see what this is. It is a drawer. And it's a vent for something, the heat or the air. Probably the heat, I guess. More storage. And it's like you can hang your stuff in that one. And the other one. And then these are doors that you can open. Bedside table with the drawer. And the carpeted stuff there beside the bed is because that's where you have your under storage, your undercarriage storage on the outside of the trailer that you can access there. So this window has a blackout shade, but it doesn't have the screen because it's, you're driving that way. So this one, to me, is one that you could just, you could live in this one. And you have overhead. That over the bed, I guess, to get you some more air there too. So it's kind of looks very residential, and plenty of room with your slides out, that, you know, it really feels like a living space. Let's see. Another storage here right by the door with your owner's manual and some control panels. So that's really nice. We love this one. This is the outside. You got your steps. And let's see, this one is the 2511S. And it has some solar on top. It has an awning, the ladder to access the solar. Some rails to put your outdoor cook stations on. And here's the storage that goes under the bed, because it goes all the way through. So that would be under the bed, yeah, the full bed there. It's a queen bed, but it's a full-size queen bed. Here's a little bit of the details. And the 2 slides. It's really sunny today. This is the little wardrobe in the bedroom. And then this is where your sofa was. Well, it's really 2 recliners beside of each other. Let's see. Some more storage here. And some more hookups. And then the back with the window for the bathroom and your ladder.